finally understand why people get obsessed with detailing their own vehicles. I feel like a lot of us spend a ton of money on our new vehicles and then we actually kind of neglect them. This is the Chemical Guy's 16-piece car detailing kit. It's for interior and exterior, and it gives you a full setup all at the same time instead of having to buy everything individually. This has the whole lineup of pretty much everything you're gonna need. Start with the bucket and the little suds thing for the bottom, sticky citrus wheel cleaner, 2 microfiber applicator sponges, 3 microfiber towels. You've got the fluffy wash mitt, and this piece is the Viral Foam Blaster Pro. This allows you to foam up your car without needing a pressure washer. It just hooks up to a regular garden hose. This thing has gone crazy viral for a reason. Streak-free window and glass cleaner, total interior cleaner and protectant, tire kicker tire shine, Mr. Pink Super Suds car wash, butter wet wax. This stuff is amazing for repairing small imperfections in your paint. It's amazing. And last up, they're going to give you a wheelie brush, all-purpose exterior, but mostly for your wheels brush with a little handle on it. See that handle in there? With this kit, you can actually wash, you can shine, clean your interior, protect your surfaces, and keep everything maintained at home, especially if you have trucks, SUVs, kids, pets. If you live on a gravel road like we do, vehicles get expensive, and taking care of them helps keep them looking good longer. This is the easiest way to get all your detailing done in one stop. If you want to grab the 16-piece kit before they sell out of it again, I'll put the link right down here on the video so you can.